Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our majestic, glossy varnished laminate flooring range. Available in 5 beautiful decors ranging from the bright and refreshing white gloss through the earthy walnut to the clean and modern graphite grey, the varnish range really will suit any home styling. The range is 8mm thick, meaning good levels of heat retention and sound reduction, and comes with an AC3 rating, making it perfect for homes. It's compatible with underfloor heating systems, and the simple tongue and groove fitting system makes laying an absolute breeze. Simply engage the long joint at an angle, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower, and using a tapping block, tap the boards up until the short joint fully engages. Finished with a gloss effect top layer, the varnish range really does bring a bit of shine to any home. Order your free samples today, or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.